Hey, what's up everybody? This is Jay Styles, All Things Styles. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. It helps the growth of the channel. And to those who are returning, hey, I know I said I was going to do a mug press video, but that is not the case. I got extremely busy, backed up with orders. The only time I had, in fact, was time to fill these orders. This video is even me filling an order. HTV vinyl, black hooded sweatshirt. If you guys are here for that, stick around, that's great. If not, no hard feelings. I'll catch you guys next week. And before we get to this video, as always, let me shout the squad. What up, Mike T? What up, 12 on Apparel? What up, You Dig Lifestyle? What up, Say How You Feel? Speaking of the squad, did you know the squad was on Facebook? Are you on Facebook? Because I'm on Facebook. We should both be on Facebook together. Visit the squad. Hashtag squad. Now, but seriously though, the squad is a great place. Helpful tips and tricks in real time. A place to showcase your work. I mean, it's a vibe. I'm there. What more needs to be said? Now, but seriously though, we're going to get you guys over to the cutter, my silhouette, show you guys how to load the mat, how to weed the vinyl, press the vinyl. If you guys are here for that, hang tight. I need some WD-40 for this chair. Don't mind the squeaking. So my cut settings, I'm at a 2, my speed is 8, my force is 4, have 1 pass, have it preset for my heat transfer smooth vinyl. And remember, when you're sending your image to the cutter, make sure that it is mirrored. Give me 1 second. With HTV vinyl, make sure that you have the shiny side down on the mat. When you're ready to load your mat, make sure that it is in between the lines here. Hit the load. Make sure that your image is mirrored. Your weeding tool. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this weeded out, and I'll meet you guys back at the press. Give me a moment. Got our image cut and weeded up. And while I'm over here asking you guys to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend or two, did I even bother to ask you how your day was going? How's it going? That's what's up. So yeah, our image is cut and weeded, ready to be applied. It's going to be at 330 for 25 seconds. It's going to be a hot peel. Thermoflex is the vinyl. As always, you want to have your garment centered on the platen. You're going to give it a pre-press to alleviate any kind of moisture. Like 3 to 5 seconds. It's good enough. Once you've done that, be careful, it will be hot. That's why the sliding drawer comes in handy. Also the lint brush. It's going to make a cameo in every video. This is going to, of course, get rid of any lint or debris. That is good enough. Okay, as always, you want to go 3 fingers from the collar. Also, shout out to my guy OC. Mad funny. That's how you say it on the East Coast, right? Nah, but seriously though, super funny guy. Today's his born day. Peace. So again, 3 fingers down from the collar. And what I normally do, I use the finger widths on both sides just to kind of keep it centered. Step back, and if you wanted to be critical, you can get and then hit it with one of these, like this. I joke, I kid. Nah, but seriously though, sometimes if you take a step back, it kind of helps you get a better look. And in this case, if I mess up, hey, it happens, and it can be corrected. Maybe that'll be another video after, of course, the mug press video. I know, mugs. I got you guys coming. I got you guys covered, rather. Mugs. Gonna adjust my pressure. Hot peel. And this is the finished product. Alright, I don't know why I do that. Anyway, you guys, as always, you guys, this has been Jay Styles. You guys be kind, because you know mean people suck. And I mean, what else is there? And if you would like to purchase one of these, coming to a neighborhood near you.